We were able to perform our first successful transcatheter TAVR procedure today here at Macomb. There are very few hospitals in the country that do it. Now Macomb has joined that elite group of hospitals.
I think this is another great example of teamwork, collaboration between Henry Ford Macomb and downtown.
We'll be working hard to put together a well-oiled team who would function as a symphony to perform such a procedure.
It's amazing that an 85-year-old person could come in, get a brand new valve, and go home the next day.
It's been explained very, very well about what was going to happen. The recuperation time to begin with, I mean, is unbelievable.
So it's a procedure that takes 2 hours. You go through the groin with wires, no surgical incisions, no cracking of the chest. It is a much faster recovery and with less or even no pain at all.
The case went very nicely, very smoothly, flawlessly, and I'm very, very proud of the team and all the physicians and the nurses and all the technologists who were involved in this procedure.
It's wonderful to be here close to home. I'm just grateful to be in the place that I am because of the people who are here.